What's up? Welcome back to another Amazon YouTube video. Recently, I've been viewing my YouTube analytics, and the most recent video that I've created has been getting some good traction lately. And that video was the 2020 Online Arbitrage Manual Product Research video. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it in the description or the video tag card on the top right of this video. Be sure to check that out if you haven't seen it yet. So if you've been taking action on the information from that video, chances are you're probably making a little money from online arbitrage. Maybe not too much, but it's enough information for you to make some money from it. Or at least I hope you're making money from it. Today I'm going to show you how to get ungated in toys and most major toy brands so that you can get ready for this upcoming 2021 quarter 4. So let's dive in and I will break down the steps and tell you what you need. So first, let's talk about what you need. You need money, of course, to buy the 10 units of the toy brand. You need 10 because Amazon requires a minimum of 10 units to be bought from a supplier. 2, you need a resale tax certificate for this supplier that I'm going to show you. If you don't know how to get one, you can head over to TaxJar.com and there will be an option for you to select the state you are in, and they will walk you through the steps of getting one for your correlated state. I will link the page down in the description, and I will probably show you an example on how or what to do. 3, next you will need a supplier. For this video, that supplier will be shepherd.com. This site is the best site that I can find that has the easiest account setup, and they have a lot of major toy brands. And 4, lastly, you need the invoice and the toy. Okay, so here is the TaxJar page for how to register for a sales tax permit or a resale certificate. So what do? You just go down to whatever state you're in and you just click it. I'm going to use Georgia as an example because I'm in Georgia. So here we'll just walk you through the steps on what you need to do. It's different for every state, so just read through, do all the stuff, and you should be good. Alright, so next is your supplier, and the supplier is going to be Shepherd. I think that's how you say it. But you just go to Shepherd, go to your account, and then become a customer. You need your resale certificate numbers and stuff before you become a customer, so get that first before you sign up and make your account. Alright, so now let's talk about what to do after you got all that information and you did everything on the first steps. So the first step is to find the product on Amazon and Shepherd. Make sure you find the exact same product. Don't use a different product. 2, head over to Seller Central and add the product, then paste the ASIN in the search bar. And then once you find it, click on it, and then if you're gated in it, then there should be an apply button on the side. I'm going to go over everything, so I'm just outlining everything. Number 4, next take a picture of the invoice and then upload it. And then after that, you're going to have to take a picture of the product and then upload that. And then the last step is to submit everything, and then you wait for everything. Alright, so I'm going to use this Hot Wheels toy as an example. Just imagine that I found this toy on Shepherd.com, because I don't think it's on Shepherd, but just imagine I found this on Shepherd, because this is the only toy that I know that I'm gated in. Gated. So first you find your toy on Amazon, and then you head over to Seller Central, and then you paste the ASIN in the search bar, and right here you can see that I am gated, so I will click apply to sell, request approval. Alright, so if this is going to be your first time, you're going to be gated in toys too, so you're going to have to submit the same thing twice to get ungated. So this first option, you're going to click at least one purchase invoice for products from a manufacturer or distributor, because that's what you're going to do. Because I don't think you're going to send a letter to Hot Wheels asking to sell their products, because I don't think they sell to people who are like small. So after that, whenever you order your product on Shepper, make sure you ask for an invoice. Once your shipment comes in, the invoice is going to be there. So what you do is take a snapshot of the invoice. You can just send it through email to yourself. You click select files and you upload it. And then after that, you would click all of these. And then your email, put your phone number in, and you click submit. So after you submit the invoice, there should be another option for you to submit a photo of the actual product. For some reason, it didn't come up for me, but I know that there's gonna be an option. There's gonna be another option for you to do that. So whenever that option comes up, all you need to do is take a picture of the photo. You should take at least 6 photos, the front and the back, both sides and the top and bottom of the product. And then you just do the same thing. You gotta click the options here to let them know that this is what's needed. So you just do the same thing with that, and then you just same thing, use your email, put your phone number in, and you submit it. Alright, so now once you have submitted everything, now you play the waiting game. Usually this doesn't take long, but if you are doing this close to Q4, this may take longer. Alright, so hope you have gotten a lot of value from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.